It is a significant illness this year, and we're not through flu season yet.
With 148 deaths so far, this flu season ranks as the worst in the last 5 years in Alberta. That's 25 more deaths compared to the 12-month period the year before. But doctors say despite the increase, overall the total number of influenza B cases are typical for this time of year.
The number of deaths is proportional to the number of cases. And if we use that as an indication of how virulent the particular virus is, it's probably no more virulent than the other strains that we've seen, other variants that we've seen in previous years.
Alberta Health Services has recorded more than 12,000 influenza cases, including 298 admissions to the intensive care. Elders over 60 years old are among the most vulnerable according to the data, with 117 deaths, and 2 children dead under 9 years old.
You know, this is a virus that can be dangerous to multiple groups in our community. And even if, you know, an individual is not necessarily in a risk group, they very much are the vector or the way the virus gets to those who are at risk.
Doctors say low vaccination uptake and near record hospitalization rates in Alberta may be to blame, considering fewer than 1 in 4 Albertans have received their flu shot so far this year.
We know that from our history here in Alberta that the seasonal flu shot is a critical piece of our public health care system. It is the most important aspect we have to protect people from severe illness and death. And unfortunately, it's a tool that we've not used to its best potential this year.
We know that only about 35% of Albertans, you know, there's only 1 million vaccinations in Alberta this year, right? And so people have clearly chosen not to get vaccinated. And so, you know, the numbers that we see are a reflection of that.
But AHS says hospital and ICU capacity related to influenza is not overcapacity. And at a national level, most indicators of influenza activity are within or below expected levels typical of this time of the year. In Calgary, Silvia Naranjo, City News.